In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable pinch to zoom on a touchpad in Windows 11. This simple yet powerful feature can significantly enhance your navigation experience by allowing you to zoom in and out with just a pinch of your fingers. Let's dive right in and get that functionality enabled on your device. To start, we need to access the Windows settings menu. The quickest way to do this is by pressing the Windows key and the I key simultaneously on your keyboard. This shortcut is a real time saver and will instantly pull up the settings window. Now that you're there, you need to find the Bluetooth and Devices section on the left-hand side. Once you click on it, a plethora of device options will unfold. From this menu, you'll want to select Touchpad. This section houses all the configuration options related to your touchpad functions. As you scroll through the options within the touchpad settings, look for the section titled Scroll and Zoom. This is where you'll find options that enhance your scrolling and zooming capabilities on the touchpad. Within this section, there's a toggle labeled Pinch to Zoom. This feature is exactly what we need to activate in order to enable the pinch to zoom capability. Make sure to toggle it to the on position. Once activated, this feature allows you to use two fingers in a pinching motion on the touchpad to zoom in and out, mimicking the familiar gesture used on many touchscreen devices. It provides a seamless and intuitive way to adjust viewing sizes in various applications. Now, it's time to test if the feature is working as it should. Open an application where you often find the need to zoom, like a web browser or a document viewer. Place two fingers on the touchpad and gently pinch in to zoom out or pinch out to zoom in. As you do this, you should see the content on your screen smoothly adjusting in size, giving you better control over the details you wish to enlarge or minimize. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled and tested the pinch to zoom feature on your touchpad with just a few straightforward steps. This feature can be particularly handy when reading small text or examining details in photos, enhancing both productivity and convenience. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in improving your Windows 11 touchpad experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials like this one. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time.